Couple things real quick on the helicopter and then we'll get going, okay?
Sure.
Alright.
Yo mga kawasak, dito tayo sa Newark Airport. Papunta kami Las Vegas ngayon kasama ko yung mama ko. Punta kami Las Vegas. Sana manalo ako para bibili ako ng Ducati. Naiwanan kami ng aeroplano. Ito alas 4 pa ulit.
Gusto mo yun o, yung boat?
Eggy-weggy. Uy, sarap sir. Tayo sa New Jersey pa rin to. Oh, banggaan.
Always wear a face covering inside the terminal and not aboard the aircraft. Second, wash your hands, both on the ground and in the skies. Take your hands.
Iwala kami ng aeroplano, dapat kanina pa kami. Alas 10. Dumating kami na airport alas 8. Tapos sobrang haba ng pila, di kami umabot. So sa susunod na lang kami, alas 4 ng hapon. Buti lang medyo maganda yung airport dito, kaya okay lang.
Todo el equipaje está sujeto a revisión.
Kanina pa ako dito sa airport. Naiwanan kasi kami ng aeroplano kanina, kaya ang tagal na hinihintay namin. 4 pa yung next flight. 2:25 na. So, set kalahating oras pa. Tapos, lipad na tayo. Boring, putik. Ito yung sasakyan namin. 737 Max. Yun yung nakakatakot. Alright mga kawasak, sa Las Vegas na tayo. Di na ako nakapag-video, pangat yung puwan ko sa aeroplano eh. Kukuha na tayo ng maleta.
Flight 2297 arriving from Newark is now available at baggage claim 19. As many bags as you like. Please check all luggage tags.
Grabe init mga kawasak, para tayong ano. Alam mo sobrang init talaga. Desierto kasi pala to eh. Basta init. Ano kami ngayon? Escalade. Kala ko limousine. Escalade lang, malapit pa rin. Ay! Ano? Service namin, limousine, sir.
Terrible idea.
Limo.
The last time I was in a limo, I did.
Fuck.
Perfect.
The most important is the a little noise for Vegas, everybody.
Napaka-angas, sir. Limo shit. Dumaan namin na ang grocery bago pumunta doon sa hotel. Para dito ako sasakay, sir. Parang big time na ito kahit hindi
It says go full.
Yan, dito kayo magsistay. Ayun, focus. Yun. Dito kayo magsistay, Flamingo Hotel. Makakawas na pupunta tayo airport kasi sasakay kami ng helicopter. Yan yung hotel namin, dyan kami nakastay. Yan yung kwarto ko sa gilid. Ayan mga kawasak, andito na tayo. Yan yung pangalan, Maverick. Sakay tayo helicopter, sama ko kayo. Share ko sa inyo yung experience ito. Yung helicopter paka-angas Woo!
Yeah, it's all done by weight and balance, but we can probably get him up front if you want. The back left is a great seat too for photos. Yep. Are you making a video?
Alright mga kawasak, ito na yung helicopter.
You guys ready?
Sama kayo.
3, 2, 1. I'll show you a couple things real quick on the helicopter and then we'll get going, okay?
Sure.
All right, starting with seatbelts, guys. Seatbelts go like this. Come on in close. Come across your lap, click it right in the center hole. Make sure that tab is facing up, okay? Reach behind you, grab that shoulder harness around your head. Click it in the top two just like so, and then you're gonna tighten, okay? Big strap will tighten, little strap, check that out, little strap will loosen, okay? There's two of these big straps, you gotta pull both of these at the same time, nice and tight. That'll suck up into your belly button. If you just pull one, it ends up like that. We don't wanna do that, okay? To release your seatbelt real simple, just rotate that buckle either direction, that'll release for you. Okay. Headsets, guys, you can't talk to each other. Just bring the mics real close, talk real loud. Volume knobs here on the side, you can adjust that, okay? I won't be talking to you much. I got to talk to Tower and all the other helicopters, but you guys feel free. You won't interrupt me. Just keep in mind everybody else can hear you, okay?
Yes.
All right. Safety information card. If this is your first flight, go ahead and read through this. Just takes about 20 seconds. That's for your safety. If you guys get sick tonight, all right? This is Vegas, I don't judge. Just make sure it goes in the bag for me, all right? Extinguisher is located right here. Doors open and close from the inside and the outside. Emergency jettison down below, guys. Do not touch the doors at any time today, all right? That's my job. There is also another door here. This one you pop open on the handle, slides like a minivan, okay? So once we land, blades come to a stop, I will come around and get that front door for you. Just don't touch the doors, okay? Good to go?
Yeah.
All right. I'll get you a little light back there.
Angas.
There you go. All right, you three, let's do it. Okay. Come around.
Do it. Oh.
So you're gonna want the window.
Okay, I'm gonna put you guys in first. You want the window seat?
Yeah.
I'm gonna be first.
Yeah. Okay. So there's a handle right here and a handle right here. I'll let you grab one of those.
Alright. Let's go.
I can help me.
around and get the doors for you guys. All right, careful coming down there. Handle on the side if you need a guy.
Ayan mga kawasak. Medyo hindi ako nakapagsalita masyado kasi ano eh, maingay tsaka may headset ako. Napakaangas nun mga kawasak. Sana nag-enjoy kayo kahit paano. Eh, hindi nga ako nakapagsalita. Kakaiba yung pakiramdam, hindi kagaya sa aeroplano. Mga ganun-ganun. Ganda na yung helicopter, Airbus.
Have a wonderful night, okay?
You too, thank you.
You betcha.
Bait pa ng piloto.
Oh, nice.
My shirt's flying open.
Yun. Yung nakuha ko. Enjoy ka ba, ma?
Ay, syempre. The best.
Nakakatakot pero masaya. Sobrang solid. Kasi di mo naman makikita yung Las Vegas ng ganun lang sa baba eh. Iba yung pagka syempre lumilipad ka, diba? Ewan ko kung paano gagawin ko doon. Baka lagyan ko lang background music o raw na lang. Di ko alam. At least may video nasama ko kayo. Malapit tong yung sikat na sign ng Las Vegas. Malapit dun sa helicopter. So nilakad namin para magpa-picture. Ayun yun. Mga kawasak. Yan na yun. Hindi pa nasa likod na ito. Come back soon. Ayun mga helicopter oh. Diyan kami kanina. Ayun, mga kawasak. Sama ko kayo dito. Walang motor, walang kotse. Pero at least, diba? Let's go. Pabalik namin ng hotel. Hotel namin Uber. Mga tambay dito eh. Ano yan? Shinsky ata, ayan. Wala pa mga helmet.